Welcome back to the channel. This is 514 Diecast, all things diecast in the greater Montreal area. I'm going to do a little unboxing today. I've got 3 team transport sets that I've been itching to unbox since I got them, but I didn't have the turntable and didn't want to open them until I could make some content with them. So first up, as you see, we have the Datsun 510 here with the Fleet Flyer. I got this set, ordered it from from Mattel, and it came quite damaged. As you can see over here on the package, it's all dinged in, all bent, pretty badly damaged. But luckily, the other one in the set was in much better condition. So came with 2 of these, so one was meant to be opened anyway. So obviously I'm going to open the worst one. Love this set, love Datsuns. Beautiful colors on this. I'm really excited to get the car out because I've never actually seen the car out of the package. So let's get to it. That looks great. What a beauty car. Let's set up the truck first. I love the colors of this. That blue is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. What a great looking truck. Love the wheels, the white wheels on it. Goodyear, Valvoline. Great looking set. Check out this car. Great detail. Love the fender flares. Love the white wheels again. I'm gonna focus in on that. What a beauty. I'm so excited about this set. When I saw it for sale with Mattel, and that this release of it came with the 2 Datsuns, I just had to have it. I was so excited to find it because I think it's my, as it is with many people, the 510 is probably my favorite casting, and in this livery, like, it just looks amazing. I just got a couple more. May as well take a peek at while we're here. Love this. Bluebird Wagon Momo livery. Gorgeous casting, gorgeous basic. Love this car. I have the 2-door as well, but I only have one of them. I never did find the black ones, but love that one. And then got the 2-pack, very similar to the Team Transport, just a little bit different on the livery. Just love these cars. Then there's this one from the mystery models, also beautiful. No detail on the back, but everything else just looks great. Great mystery model. And then of course we've got the Sunny. And I can't get enough of these trucks either. Beautiful, beautiful castings. That was awesome. Look at that. So happy with that. So we'll put that in the back. Next up, we got the Porsche. Porsche 962 and the Sakura Sprinter in the shell livery. Great colors again, great art. Love the white wheels on it. Really hoping that I find that R34 Super Silhouette hauler. Didn't find it today when I went down to the States, but Anyway, open this guy up. So nice to see these without the packaging glare on them. God, they look great. Yeah, love the detail in this. Again, we'll put the truck up first. Beautiful truck. The chrome work is great. It's got the wipers in the front, lights on the top. Get that guy out of there. Move in a little bit. What a great looking truck. Porsche down the side. Beauty. Then we'll take a look at the 962 here. What a cool race car. I'm pretty sure this was a prototype class back in the day. What a great looking car. God, it's beautiful. The colors just look great. Sorry, I guess I'm casting a shadow over there with my hair, but geez, it looks great. Move it in a little closer. Love those wheels on there. Beautiful casting, great set. I'm so happy I got this. I can't believe the people are leaving these on the pegs. These just look amazing. Yes. Next up, this one I'm really excited for. The Lancia Stratos. I got the Porsche and I thought I had two of the Porsches from this set, but turns out I only had one, so I can't unbox it today. I'll find another one, I hope. But I got lucky enough to find two of the Stratos, and so we'll open this up. It looks great again. I love the Stratos. It's such a unique custom race car. Group B rallying. This one is Group 5 road racing. Just a great looking car. Really, really cool. Like I've said many times before, I love rally cars. I love Group B. Like just the insanity of the cars that were made back in the late 80s. So cool. This one doesn't want to come out. Come on now. Check out that truck first. Same as the last one, just, the different livery. Looks great. Lancia on the back, Lancia crest. Great coloring with the white and red. Again, the chrome work, the lights on the top. Beautiful truck. I love the trucks. Like, the trucks are, not the best part of it. Obviously, the car is the best, but I do love the trucks too. But that is the star of the show right there. Look at that car. Look at the detail in the back. You got the NACA ducts over the back wings. Got Lancia on the spoiler. Let's tilt that up. Show the top. Lancia on the front splitter. Red, white, gold rims. Look at the deep dish in the back rim. God, that's a great looking car. Those are three awesome sets. All the louvers on the front too, and what's on the front? Oh, it was upside down. It's Pirelli on the front fenders, on the top of the front fenders here. You got the hood scoop right there on the top. What a beautiful car. Brembo brakes, Bell helmets, Lancia crest. Oh, I'm so happy to have this open. All right, well, that's going to do it for today. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to do a lot more unboxings. There's a lot of stuff that I have here in my collection that I really want to open, but like I said, I was waiting until I had the turntable and could make some good comments, show you guys a good view of all this stuff. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye.